Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Suman Kaur and today we learn the most famous poem Preludes by T.S. Eliot. Before going to the summary of the Preludes poem, let us know little about T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot's full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot, who was an American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, and literary critic. He was also awarded Nobel Prize in Literature. And apart from the present poem Prelude, he also came out with some other poems such as The Love Song of Alfred Prufrock, The Wasteland, Four Quartets, Murder in Cathedral, etc. So, viewers, little about T.S. Eliot we came to know now. Let us go to the summary of the poem Preludes. The poem Preludes was published in his first volume, Prufrock and Other Observations. This poem brings out T.S. Eliot's views on modern urban life and his feeling of social classes and social using what seems to be simple imagery with a more complex underlying meaning to them. The poet shows how modern city life and its dwellers are void of spirituality and meaning. Eliot paints four pictures of a person at the center, and the entire poem is the projection of his consciousness, his mood, reflections, reactions to the created situation, emotion or lack of emotions, and so on. The first prelude is a picture of a dull winter evening settling down on England. It is a representation of the modern poetry moment that Eliot was a part of. There is nothing particularly beautiful about the scene, and one gets a sense of electric street lamp overtaking the lovely cab horse near the end of the poem. Here we have completed the summary of the first prelude. Let us go to the second prelude. The second stanza deals with the dirtiness of humanity even in modern time. The town is hungover in the first stanza. The morning comes to consciousness. The faint, stale smell of beer, the sawdust from bars on the street, and dirty businessmen race to coffee stand to combat with caffeine the previous night before heading off to work. The second stanza calls what is done during the day masquerade and points to dirty shades being raised in a thousand furnished rooms as evidence of humanity's hypocrisy. The third prelude is a picture of a person, a particularly dirty and unkempt person, who is waiting in a room for the sun to come up. They doze off and waking up to see their world in a way that no one else understands. Finally, the fourth stanza or the fourth prelude, we can say. The fourth and final prelude is about a man who hates where he is but cannot live. His soul is trampled by insistent feet, fingers, suffering pipes, and people who seem to be so sure of themselves, if not the world. The technique employed by the cinematographic, like selected shots of suggestive objects in a fast moving films, each line of the prelude presents a concrete bare photographic like picture of an object with symbolical as well as metaphysical images. Here we complete here we complete the poem Prelude. It was the summary which I have shared with you. I hope you people liked it. And if you like the summary of the poem, please like, share, and if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.